My name is Patrick Kiongera, VisionOne Industries General Manager. VisionOne Industries is a plastic production industry located in Nakuru City, Kabatini Ward in Bahati constituency. The industry is built on a 10 acres piece of land. It has 3 levels of manufacturing. Pipe manufacturing through extrusion molding. We also have rotational molding. We also have general manufacturing, injection molding and blow molding, where all the plasticware ranging from domestic, industrial are manufactured. Our pipes are majorly used for construction and agriculture. In construction, these are the pipes that are used to take water through the house to the points of use. We also have agricultural, like HDP rolls, whereby irrigation is done. The people take the water from the source all the way to the place where the water is needed for irrigation. We also have water reservation or conservation, that's tanks. That's where the water is conserved before it's used through the pipes. We provide for distribution and preservation of water. During the construction, we keyed in majorly on the layout of the industry so that the operations can be smooth, from the raw material storage to all the other industries where the materials are used. By doing so, we minimize and reduce accidents so that the movement and the traffic cannot cause disorderliness. We made sure that we bought the best of the machines, the most modernized machines, so that it could conserve the energy and also create high efficiency. Our machine does very well in terms of efficiency, clocking at 95% efficiency. Coming from extrusion molding, the mixers, the pulverizers, the rotational molding machines and injection machine. Our underground reservoir can hold around 700,000 liters of water, and it was done deliberately because we didn't want to take water from the environment. Our catchment area is big because our rooftops are wide. All the go downs pour water in that reservoir. We don't take the runoff water, we take the clean water from the roofs, and one rain is enough to fill it. Biogas also, it was installed consciously with great intentions to save on energy, and it is helping on lighting systems. We have really used a lot of facilities from Equity Bank. It has been quite generous and helpful to us. Right now we have an LC facility, and LC helps us because Equity Bank is going to help us to buy raw materials abroad, which is quite expensive, and it will help us to be able to access the raw material at the time we need it, even when we don't have our own money. The facility is such that the bank, that is Equity Bank, will be able to work in conjunction with the banks abroad so that they can be able to deposit the money themselves for us. So after we have made our products and sold them, then we get the proceeds, we can be able to repay that kind of facility. We got quite a lot of help from Equity Bank because we could even take the loans to go and clear our machines when we are stuck. We could even get some short-term facilities to transport machines from ICD to our industry. So we can count them as great helpers in this journey. We have been able to establish distributors that are paid by Equity, and then we receive our cash and we are able to concentrate with our job of manufacturing without having to chase the credits out there. So that one also has helped us a great deal because it has made so many customers become credible to us, for we are able to access money quick and go back to production. We also conserve the environment diligently. We have planted a lot of green by creating tanks and pipes which distribute, and tanks that preserve the water. That's a great contribution towards creating water security in Kenya.